Welcome back to the AB Car Info. The 2026 Cadillac XT6 continues to evolve as a luxury midsize crossover that blends comfort, technology, and performance with Cadillac's signature design language. Positioned between the compact XT5 and the full-size Escalade, the XT6 caters to families and professionals who seek a refined three-row SUV with ample interior space and upscale amenities. For the 2026 model year, Cadillac introduces a subtle refresh to the XT6 exterior, featuring a slightly revised grille pattern, updated LED lighting signatures, and newly designed alloy wheels. These enhancements maintain the XT6's bold stance while giving it a more modern and sophisticated edge. Under the hood, the XT6 offers two engine options. The base model continues with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers respectable performance for urban and suburban driving. For those desiring more power, the 3.6-liter V6 remains available, offering smooth acceleration and solid towing capability. Both engines are mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and responsive driving dynamics. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available for enhanced traction and stability in varied road conditions. Inside, the 2026 XT6 stands out with its focus on luxury and convenience. Cadillac has upgraded the materials throughout the cabin, offering new upholstery choices, refined stitching, and a more intuitive layout for controls. The dashboard features a larger curved OLED display that integrates both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen, controlled via touch, voice commands, or a rotary knob on the center console. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports to keep all passengers connected. Comfort has also been improved, with tri-zone automatic climate control, ventilated and heated front seats, and optional massage functions. The XT6 offers seating for 6 or 7 passengers, depending on whether one opts for the second-row captain's chairs or bench seating. Legroom and headroom are generous across all 3 rows, making long journeys comfortable even for adults in the rear. The power-folding third row and hands-free power liftgate make cargo management easy, while the overall cargo space remains competitive within its class. Safety and driver assistance features are plentiful in the 2026 XT6. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology is available on higher trims, offering increased convenience on long highway drives. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a high-definition surround view camera. Additional options include adaptive cruise control, night vision, and rear pedestrian alert. With a refined ride quality, elegant design updates, and a host of tech-savvy features, the 2026 Cadillac XT6 remains a compelling choice for buyers seeking a premium SUV experience. It strikes a careful balance between practicality and luxury, making it suitable for both everyday commutes and weekend getaways. Cadillac's continued focus on improving interior quality, integrating advanced technology, and enhancing safety ensures that the XT6 holds its own in a highly competitive segment. Whether you're driving through city streets or embarking on a family road trip, the XT6 offers a blend of comfort, style, and confidence that is hard to overlook.